Now, Police Chief Superintendent Edgardo Tinio, Chief of Quezon City Police District, is now on the line to speak to us. Sir, you were named by President Duterte as mentioned that you are involved in drug-related crimes. What is your reaction to this, sir?
Well, I have never been involved in any illegal drug activity.
Sir, he just had a speech recently, just a few minutes ago, and he mentioned you together with four other names, and he did say that he wanted you to report immediately to the Director General. What will be your next step from here, sir?
I will report directly to the Chief PNP, and I'm willing to subject myself for investigation, and I'm willing to undergo a lie detector test. And I'm willing to subject all my cell phones for forensics.
Are you surprised about hearing this news that your name was mentioned today?
Yeah, I'm surprised. I'm surprised that my name was being dragged into this mess, into this illegal drug activity. Well, in fact, what I did only as the QCPD director then was to accomplish for the QCPD as a whole and to have a focused police operations against illegal drugs. That's all.
Sir, what do you think has led Mr. Duterte to think this and to have mentioned you?
I don't know what is the basis of our president. As I've said, I'm more than willing to be investigated. They have to pinpoint where, when did I commit the same, and what is my participation into illegal drug activity.
Sir, what are your plans now? When are you planning to see the chief of the PNP?
Well, now I'm not hiding. I'm in my quarters. I can report directly to the Chief PNP and clear my name. I am not hiding anything. I'm willing to undergo a lie detector test. I'm willing to subject myself for investigation.
Months, 2 months, 6 months, mag-early retirement na po ako.
So yung mga nakasama...
Hindi na po ako, ala na po yung desire sa akin na magserbisyo sa nangyari na to.
So yung mga nakasama sa listahan, General Pagdilaw, General Diaz, nagulat po ba kayo na lumabas din yung kanilang mga pangalan?
Ay, mahirap magbanggit tungkol sa kanilang katatayuan. I cannot say anything about their predicament. Yung sarili ko lang kaya kong panindigan. Mahirap yun.
Sila sa everyday to make sure na mag-appear sila sa mga hearings na gagawin ng Napolco.
Since we referred them already to the Napolco, then they will be reported to the Napolco for the investigation.
Franz Medera, TV5, to be followed by Aya Macalma, PTV4.
Sir, masama yung loob nila kahapon.
That is a strong message na sinasabi niya na wala ko sinasanto. Kahit sino kayo. Sabi nga niya, kahit anak ko, pag involved sa drugs yung anak ko, patayin ninyo. Yung anak ko mismo, sabi niya. So, wala siyang claimant, wala siyang tinatago.
Sir, you mentioned earlier sila sa everyday to make sure na mag-appear sila sa mga hearings na gagawin ng Napolco.
Since we referred them already to the Napolco, then they will be reported to the Napolco for the investigation.
Franz Medera, TV5, to be followed by Aya Macalma, PTV4.
Sir, masama yung loob nila kahapon.
Dito sa pagkakadawit nila sa illegal drugs.
Hindi namin yung pag-usapan. Basta, lahat naman kami, we agree that the information is coming from the President. So,
Sir, follow-up na lang po. What will happen to them now? After, aside from the investigation, instance ba nung pagkadawit nila doon sa illegal drugs na pag-usapan nyo? Kasi hinihingi nila sana na tupoy kung sino yung mga individuals na nagbigay ng information because ang allegation nila ay
I still have to validate it, but I already have the raw information. I am compelled by my sense of duty. Sabihin ko sa inyo, na nasabit sa droga, one way or the other, or contributed to the deterioration of the law and order of this country. What is really, I said sad, is that ito yung mga tao who are given the honor to join the academies of our country, be it the PNP or the PMA, at the expense of the public. And they had this career of theirs. All along, tayong mga mamamayan thought that we are being protected by the police, primarily. Masakit pakinggan kasi, ginastusan mo na, binayaran mo yung pag-aaral niya, lahat ng uniforme, pati medyas niya, pati sapatos, gastos mo. Tapos you commit. By any language, it is really treason. And I'd like to name publicly General Marcelo Garbo. He was a protector of the drug syndicates in this country. General Vicente Luot, who is now the mayor of Cebu, in one of the municipalities of Cebu. General Diaz, the former regional director of Region 11. General Pagdilao, former regional director in CRDO. General Tinio, former QCPD director. As this time, I ordered them relieved from their assignments and report to the Director General. I would like to talk to them, but certainly I would expect the Police Commission to do their thing. Imbestigahan ninyo ito at huwag ninyo akong bigyan ng sarsuela na ano. Hanapin ninyo ang totoo. Kasi overnight I was really trying to figure out. I do not necessarily humiliate people. It's not my practice. Politiko ako eh. Kung mayor-mayor lang ako, o wala naman ako kasali dyan sa bayan na yan, the Republic of the Philippines, okay lang. But dumating ako sa posisyon na to, and I said, I have this sacred obligation to the Filipino people. By my oath of office, I have to tell you the truth. And the truth for the moment is, ito after so many validations, even when I was still mayor of Davao City, lumalabas na itong mga pangalan na to. Talagang lumalabas na. At nakikita mo na mga yon with the intensification of the criminal syndicates and the drug distribution. Marami nang namamatay. At marami pang mamamatay. At huwag kayong sumali niyan, baski police kayo, baski official kayo, because you will place yourself in the line of fire. Ako hindi ako nagyayabang. Hindi ako namumutang ina sa inyo. I am not that kind. Pero I'm not fucking you guys. Pero putang ina pag nahuli kita dito, patayin kita. Totoo. You could tell Dilima and the rest of wala akong problema sa she investigated me dito. Ang bang extrajudicial killing. Pag nahuli kita dito may droga, papatayin talaga kita. Walang istorya yan. Ang waiter na kinigtanungan. Pag nagkamali yan, kamali ka, punta ka dito ng droga, I'll kill you. Period.